Another haul. So we are trying to get rid all the plastic that we have in the kitchen. So we're gonna do a quick haul that we got online for new utensils to the kitchen. So let's start with these 8 pieces, different kind of spoon. So pretty. Made of wood. And another 3 piece of again wood spoon. This is good for mixing stuff like you're making tea or something. And last, these 3 size of wooden chopping board. I think I'm okay with the medium size. For me, I do prefer to use this medium size. Well, I mean, I don't mind the smaller one. Maybe if I cut small things, maybe. And maybe when I use to cut like meat for this bigger size, but so pretty.